Dear student, welcome back to our B.G.S home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Idol English National School morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your B.G.S class, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 3. In previous class, we have already discussed chapter 5 and provided you some short questions and fill in the blanks. And today I will provide you two broad questions, 1 and 2. So students, let's get started our class. Today's topic, broad question answer 1 and 2 from chapter 5. You know, the chapter 5, its name is human qualities. But before going to start this topic, I am tell you that what is good qualities or what is human qualities. So student, human qualities, that means each and every person has some distinct qualities. That's why each and every person is different from others. And it is a qualities, that means inner nature of a person's, some good parts of a person's character. That means qualities. Now let's get started our class. Question number 1. Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? That means good deeds. Qualities, that means your human nature, inner nature of a human being. And good deeds, that means we can express our feelings through our behavior. Okay, and that means through our good deeds. Through our deeds, we can express our inner side through our deeds. Answer: good deed means to do something for the welfare of the society and people. Welfare, that means good. Good deed means to do something for the welfare of the society and people. As a human being, we should have some special qualities that allow us to do good deeds, such as number 1, to behave well with everyone. We should behave well with everybody. We should not misbehave with others. Number 2, not to harm others. We should not harm others. Number 3, to speak the truth. To tell a lie is a bad deed. So we should always speak the truth. It is a noble quality. Number 4, to respect the old and the young alike. That means we should not respect not only the old people but also younger ones. Okay. Number 5, to follow rules. We live in a society, man cannot live alone. So we have to live in a society, and each and every society has some rules and regulation. As a member of a society, we should follow some rules. Okay, and every person who have these qualities, everyone love and respect them. Okay. Number 6, to keep promises. So we should keep our words, our promises. And these qualities help us to be a good person. Who have these qualities, they are considered as a good person, And number 2, which human quality would you most like to be known for? Answer: I want to be familiar, that means known in the society through some good deeds. I have already discussed it. What is behavior? We can express our outer expression through our deeds, that means behavior. For example, number 1, by keeping good terms with all. So we should keep good relation with others. Number 2, by speaking the truth. I have already told you it is a noble quality. Number 3, by helping the poor. So we should always help the poor and helpless people. Number 4, by respecting the elders and younger alike. So we should respect both elders and youngers alike. Number 5, by following the rules of the society. So as a member of a society, we should follow the rules. So student, I am going to repeat these questions. Question number 1, which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? Good deed means to do something for the welfare of the society and people. As a human being, we should have some special qualities that allow us to do good deeds, such as number 1, to behave well with everybody. Number 2, not to harm others. Number 3, to speak the truth. Number 4, to respect the old and the young alike. Number 5, to follow rules. Number 6, to keep promises. That means these qualities help us to be a good person. If we want to be a good person, we need such kind of such types of behavior, good behavior and good deeds. Number 2, which human quality would you most like to be known for? Answer, I want to be familiar in the society through some good deeds. For example, 1, by helping good terms with all. Number 2, by speaking the truth. Number 3, by helping the poor. Number 4, by respecting the elders and younger alike. Number 5, by following the rules of the society. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic. Student, you know, if we make a better society, we need such kind of people who have this kind of these types of qualities, good qualities. So we should always practice these qualities. So student, have a look on the board. Here is a given your homework. Okay, today's homework number 3 and topic broad question 1. Broad question 1. Student, broad question 1. Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? It will be your homework. So student, everybody, you have to do your homework and submit it on time. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.